Hi, this is a video for Stockport Sling Library, and this is how to use the Omni 360 with a Velcro waistband in a forward-facing inwards position. You'll notice on the front of the panel that there is two buttons, and for forward-facing inwards you need to have the button on the outside, so it's the darker button, it's a black colour. The one on the inside is for when you're forward-facing out. Okay, so make sure the buttons are like that on both sides, and you'll see that there's a Velcro on the waistband. And what you need to do is turn the carrier so that the panel is forward downwards, put the panel against you, and then you're going to wrap the Velcro around your back. So it's quite long, so make sure you fit it round that side and then round the back and just Velcro it on. And it goes a bit skewy, so on so it's nice and straight. Okay, that's fine. Then you'll also notice that there's a extra safety strap which you need to find and clip in. There. Okay, so the positioning is quite high up around your waist, not too far down on your hips. You'll then notice that the panel is hanging downwards and you have the straps like this. Now I struggle to fasten up the chest strap on my back, so I'm going to pre-clip it in so that all I need to do is pull it tight when I've got it on. Okay, like this. I'm going to pick up my baby. Now this doll is about 3 to 6 months. So you want to position the baby so that they're nice and central on the waistband and that the legs are up nice and high, knees up, bottom lower. Guide the panel up over their back and pop this over my head and then slide my arm inside and inside. I'm going to pull the strap downwards so it's tightening. Okay. A bit more. Then I'm going to grab hold of the strap on my back and give that a turn. And a little bit more this way. So it should feel nice and comfortable here. Baby's arms should be up. Yeah. You want to just make sure that the baby's hips are nice and the pelvis is tilted towards you. So if you slide your hands inside the carrier, you can get hold of their hips and just tip them towards you. So it's a motion like this and tip towards you. That will make them drop into a nice deep seat. This is can be released and popped up if baby falls asleep. Up here it also has a hood which is on the inside there if you need to take that out. But this baby is nice and snug inside, so really even when they fall asleep they're not going to, the head's not going to be backwards. As you can see, the carrier is just coming to the bottom of the ear, and you certainly don't want the panel to be any higher than the top of the ear, so that's about right. That's basically how you use it. To release and get out, you can just push the panel back, push the buckle backwards, like so, and then I can just about reach to unclip the chest strap. Release that first, peel the panel down and take baby out, and then you're back to the start. So when you have baby in, it should be nice and tight. When you lean forwards, the baby should basically stick to your chest and not swing away from you. If the baby does, then it's not tight enough. You need to tighten it up a bit more. Okay, thank you.